Hello children, how are you all? Great day to all. Today we are going to see the one words of Unit 2, Term 3. Okay, Amma, story of Madras Presidency, not residency, presidency. Okay, Amma, come let us see. Fill in the blanks. First one, the city of Madras, now known as Chennai, was the capital of the presidency. Second one, British bought the part of land from Nayak rulers in 1639. Third one, the Vainu Observatory is an astronomical observatory. Fourth one, Vainu Observatory is the biggest observatory in Asia. Fifth one, the British called the Gingy Fort as Troy of the East. Sixth one, Auroville is an experimental township in Viluppuram district. Seventh one, the first iron and steel industry in India was located at Porto Novo in 1830. Eighth one, Porto Novo, also called as Parangipete, is situated in Kadalur district. Ninth one, Okanagal is one of the waterfalls located in Dharmaburi district. 10th one, Anaimalai Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Coimbatore district. 11th one, Erode district is famous for its handloom, powerloom and ready-made garments production. 12th one, Thirumalai Nayakar Palace is classic fusion of Dravidian and Islamic architecture. 13th one, Keeladi is located in Sivagangai district. 14th one, Ranjankudi Fort is located in Parambalur. 15th one, the Queen of Hill Station is Udagamandalam. 16th one, Dottapetta is the fourth highest peak in South India. 17th one, Dottapetta is the highest mountain in the Nilgiris. 18th one, the district of Ganjam is included in modern Odisha. 19th one, Gangaikonda Cholapuram is located in Ariyalur district. 20th, Kallanai is an ancient dam built across the river Kaveri. 21, Ooty was the summer capital of Madras Presidency. 22, Madras Presidency was formed in 1801. 23, the first British governor of Madras Presidency was Edward Clive. 24, the last governor of Madras Presidency was Archibald Edward Knight. 25, Mamallapuram was created by the Pallava dynasty. Then choose the correct answer. Madras Presidency was formed in 1801. Second one, Madras Presidency was officially renamed as Tamil Nadu in 1969. Third one, Mamallapuram was created by the Pallava dynasty. Fourth one, which is called as the Spa of South India, Kutralam. Fifth one, Manora is known for the 8-storied miniature fortress built by Raja Seraphodi. Then sixth one, in 1862 the Madras province was divided into 22 districts. Seventh one, Mamallapuram was created by the dynasty, Pallava dynasty. Velur Fort is an ancient fort built in 1566. Ninth one, Gingy Fort, also called as Senji Fort. 11th one, Keeladi is located on the Dash district, Sivagangai district. Kutralam is located on the Dash Ghats, Western Ghats. 13th one, Uttaramerur is located in Coimbatore district. 14th one, Coimbatore is called as Manchester of South India. 15th one, Ozur is an industrial city. 16th one, Kattabomman Memorial Fort was constructed by the government of Tamil Nadu. 17th one, in 1911 Madras province was divided into 26 districts. True or false? The city of Madras was capital of Madras Presidency. True. Second one, Utramerur and the ancient Chola village is located in Salem district false. Third one, Thirumalai Nayakar palace was built by Thirumalai Nayakar, true. Fourth one, Coimbatore is called as Manchester of South India, true. Fifth one, Gangaikonda Cholapuram temple is popularly known as Thanjai Periya Kovil, false. Sixth one, Bodiyanayakanur is at the foothills of the Eastern Ghats, false. Seventh one, Thirumalai Nayakar palace is located in the district of Madurai, true. Eighth one, Tirunelveli is located on the banks of the river Vaigai, false. Ninth one, Tiruchirappalli rock fort is a temple built on an ancient rock, true. Tenth one, boating on a coracle made of bamboo is an attracted in Okinagal, true. Answer in a single word. Where is Manora Fort located? Tanjore. When did Madras Presidency renamed as Madras State? 1947. When did Madras officially renamed as Tamil Nadu? 1969. Fourth one, who was the first and last governor of Madras Presidency? Edward Clive, Archibald Edward Nye. Fifth one, expansion of UNESCO, United Nations Education, Science and Cultural Organization. Sixth one, who built Velur Fort? Chinnabommi Nayak and Timmareddy Nayak. Seventh one, where is Vainubabu Observatory located? Kavalur. Eighth one, when did first iron and steel industry constructed in India? 1830. Ninth one, what is meant by Salem? An area surrounded by mountains. 10th one, what is the old name of Indira Gandhi National Park? Aanaimalai Wildlife Sanctuary. 11th one, who built Thirumalai Nayakar Palace? Thirumalai Nayakar. 12th one, which is an urban settlement of Sangam age? Keeledi. 13th one, which district is called as the Pearl City? Thoothukudi. Match the following: Kavalur, Vainababu Observatory, Jinji Fort, Troy of the East, Bodiyanayakanur, Cardamom City, Pearl City, Thoothukudi, John Sullivan, Ooty, Malabar, Kerala, Valparai, Coimbatore, then Thiruvallur, Pulikat Lake, Amaravati Dam, Tirupur, Tirunelveli, Thamirabarani, Dharmapuri, Horticulture and Choir, Erode, Bhavani Sagar Dam, Salem, Yerkadu, Thiruvarur, Tyagaraja Temple. 15th one, Thiruvallur, Pulikat Lake, Namakkal Kolli Hills, Kanjipuram Silk Sarees, Kadalur Handicrafts, Perambalur Mayil Ootru Waterfalls, Virudhunagar Ayyanar Falls. Okay, thank you.